To solve this one, the problem is that I have too many logs happening at the same time. So for me to be able to reduce these down, I need a single log on one side and a single log on the other. And as long as they have the same base, they'll cancel each other out. So on the left side, let's combine those into a single log. So that's going to give me log base 5 of x plus 2 times x plus 3. And on the right side, I get log base 5 of 6. All right, on the left-hand side, well, now I see that these are both log base 5, which means they'll cancel out. So I'm really just going to have x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 6. Okay, so let's solve this. What is x plus 2 times x plus 3? Well, if I FOIL it, or do each with each, x times x is x squared. I'll have 3x and 2x in the middle, so that's 5x plus 6 equals 6. All right, move the 6 to the other side. So now I have x squared plus 5x, 6 minus 6 is 0, equals 0. All right, factor it. So x can come out, leaves me with x plus 5. So my two potential answers are x equals 0 and x equals negative 5. Okay, this time I didn't set up myself a restriction box over here because I wanted to show you the other way for checking these. So at the end, you get two possible answers, 0 and negative 5. What I need to do is go plug those into my variables in my log equations and make sure that I'm allowed to solve whatever value I get. So what do I mean by that? Let's do a little check over here. If I check x equals 0, what I'm looking for is if I plug in 0, does the log turn into something I can't calculate? So on the first one, I'm trying to do log base 5 of 0 plus 2 is 2. That's fine. What about log base 5 of 0 plus 3, which is 3? That's fine. Okay, so it looks like x equals 0 is okay. Let's check x equals negative 5. For negative 5, if I plug it into the first one, I'm taking log of negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Do you see any problems there? I can't take logs of negative numbers. That's a log base 5, but still that doesn't change anything. I can't take logs of negative numbers, so that already is a no-go, which means that this is an extraneous solution. It was so close, but then it didn't work out. So if you're going to get your two answers at the end and you want to check them, you're making sure that you get only positive numbers inside your logarithm. I could have set up my restrictions at the beginning and I would have known really quickly, but if you forget or you just want to do it this way, check at the end.